Alright, here you go. Let's see if Meta can walk. Meta!
Okay, Crew's turn.
Okay, go walk to Mommy.
Oh, Mr. Crew. Watch out, he's gonna land on the puppy. Oh, he did it. You did.
Done. I'm done.
You're all done.
I just swing you around, Crew. I just swing you around.
You can't swing her around. You're not big enough.
Oh, Lord. Swing him to the floor.
I'll swing you again.
Give the puppy something to chew on so she doesn't chew on the toys. Here. Take your bone. There you go. I'm getting ready to film your belly. Now hush.
Okay. I'm gonna film your booty.
Yeah, lift your shirt up.
Yeah, pull your mask down.
God, note to self. Only film when Joe's not around.
Yeah.
And nice and strong. You know, man. Here's the knife. My hand. My hand, Crew. Put my hand in the door. Crew, hold my hand. Put my hand in the door. Crew, put my hand. My hand, Crew. My hand. My hand. Stand up. Stand up and now hold my hand.
Gee, the only one falling's Crew.